Hello friends, I'm your host Madhura. Welcome to mypositivehealth.com. Feel positive for a healthy life. Are you tired of listening to complaints from your partner because you snore at night? While snoring might be really annoying and frustrating for your partner, but snoring is a disorder which is caused by a pause in breathing or shallow breathing. Everyone snores occasionally, but if you snore frequently, then it might give you poor sleep, daytime fatigue, as well as increased health problems. Being overweight or lack of exercise can cause snoring. Snoring can also be caused by excessive alcohol consumption before going to bed. Chronic nasal congestion may lead to snoring. Snoring can be hereditary, and certain allergies can also contribute to snoring. As per Ayurveda, ghee has many medicinal properties. Take some ghee, which is also known as clarified butter. Warm it up little bit. Now pour 2 drops of this ghee in each nostril and repeat this every night before going to bed. Eucalyptus oil, also known as Nilgiri's tel, has a natural anti-inflammatory properties which helps to loosen the mucus. Take some hot water. In that add in 2 to 3 drops of this eucalyptus oil. Inhale the steam and repeat this every night before going to bed. Wash, peel and grate some ginger. Pour some water in a pan along with this grated ginger. Bring that to a boil. Simmer this for 5 minutes and allow it to sit for another 5 minutes. Now strain out this mixture into a glass. To that add a teaspoon of honey and mix up really well. Take this mixture every night before going to bed. Along with these simple, easy natural remedies, some lifestyle changes also plays an important role to prevent snoring. Try to lose some weight, also exercise regularly. Make sure that you take lots of fluids, especially water. Avoid the consumption of alcohol or smoking before going to bed. Also try to change sleeping positions frequently. Now, if you know any home remedies or natural remedies better than this to cure snoring, please write down in the comment box below. Also, if you like this video, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel as well as our website, that is www.mypositivehealth.com. It's free and you will be the first to get informed our latest video or tips. Thank you for watching. Do take good care of yourself. See you soon. Bye bye.